So, in my previous video in the Copley medal, which is the early winners, which are still in use in everyday life, I forgot to mention the work of Lister, Joseph Lister. He invented and developed aseptic techniques. And in surgery, as opposed to versus septic, which is basically unsterile. So this was in 1905. Sorry, 1902 he got the Copley medal. Yeah, but these techniques are not just used in surgery, in dentists and vet surgery, but they're used everywhere, all labs, especially ones using biology, like microbiology labs, medical labs, genetics labs, school labs. They use ethanol to wipe down benches to sterilize them, and you flame spatula. You flame loops or spatulas to spread petri dishes. So whenever you work with microbiology, you always flame the loop of the spatula, the glass rod, to sterilize them. You dip it in alcohol, or you dip the glass rod in alcohol, and then you stick it in the flame to sterilize it. Or you either take the loop of the wire loop and stick it in the flame until it's red hot, or you stick the glass rod in alcohol and then you light it to sterilize it, and the alcohol burns off. And you always wipe down the surfaces with alcohol, ethanol. Ethanol kills all microbes, but also it evaporates very quickly, so the benches dry very quickly, whereas water doesn't evaporate quickly. So yeah, so Joseph Lister invented sterilization. There's also, noting a video earlier, the Michelson-Morley experiment, late 19th century, which was inconclusive over the ether. It led to Einstein's where that won it as well. So there have been lots of winners, but this is everyday uses of it. Everyday use discoveries, aseptic techniques, medical surgery, vets, dentistry, surgery, all laboratories use it. Even physics, laboratory engineering, they often have environments which they want to have very sterile to keep any kind of infection out, contamination, so they will cover face masks and stuff like that. But this all stems from this guy's work.